Love is one of the strongest forces in human life, yet it is also one of the greatest sources of pain. Not because love is dangerous, but because we misunderstand it. The Stoic view of love is not cold. It is clear. It does not cling. It does not beg. It does not control. This is not about romance. This is about freedom, dignity, and inner strength. Love does not mean owning someone. It means allowing them to be free. Whoever loves from fear does not love. They cling. True love needs no control, only character. Love without self-respect becomes dependence. Stay calm, even when your heart feels restless. You can love someone without losing yourself. Not every loss is a mistake. Some losses are liberation. Love is not a contract for safety. It is a decision for respect. If someone only needs you when you are strong, they do not love you. They love your usefulness. Stoic love expects little and gives consciously. Disappointment is born when expectation is greater than reality. Love should add to your life, not replace it. If someone wants to leave, do not hold them. Hold your dignity. Feelings come and go. Character remains. You can love someone and still walk away if staying destroys you. Not all closeness is healthy. Not all distance is bad. Love without boundaries becomes a burden. Respect is more stable than passion. Who knows themselves does not lose themselves in others. Love is not a fight for attention. It is a quiet alliance of two minds. You cannot save someone who does not want to be saved. True closeness is not born from fear of loss, but from trust in yourself. Love is calm. Drama is insecurity. Not every person is meant for your whole life. Some are only meant to teach you. If your peace suffers, it is not love. It is attachment born from fear. Stoic love stays when it heals and leaves when it harms. The less you cling, the more real connection becomes. Love requires courage, but even more, clarity. Who cannot lead themselves will lose themselves in relationships. The best relationship is not two people who need each other to stand, but two people who could stand alone and still choose to walk together. Stoic love is not loud. It does not chase. It does not beg. It does not trap. It is steady. It is free. It is rooted in self-respect. And when love is guided by reason, it no longer destroys you. It strengthens you. Love deeply, but never lose your peace.